In today's video, we're going to do a quick unboxing for the MacBook Pro 13-inch with the M1 chip. No homo. Check it out though. Shout out to my manager for hooking me up with this for Christmas. She knows that I do a lot of video editing and large file processing for the podcast, so this was a dope gift. Appreciate it. So we'll do a quick unboxing for that. And I also got this right here, CrystalGuard laptop keyboard cover, non-sponsored. Shout out to everybody that liked and left a comment on my last PS5 unboxing. Appreciate the love and support. About to get back on the grind soon. Shout out to everybody that supports the PVR life movement, all the usual suspects. Y'all know who you are. Alright, so we'll do a quick unboxing for the MacBook Pro 13-inch no homo M1 chip. I also upgraded the RAM on it from 8 gigabytes to 16 gigabytes so I can watch multiple X-Hamster live channels while I'm editing. I'm kidding. Or am I being for real? I'll let you decide. Alright, y'all ready? Let's get into it. Fancy schmancy. Alright, so we got the saran wrap off. Let's see if I can take this off without dropping it. I don't want to drop this expensive piece of hardware. Alright, so we're taking the cover off. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention I got the space gray color as well. So it's a little bit darker than the normal silver color that you guys are used to seeing. Alright, so it has this little plastic covering here. I wonder, let's see how we take that off. Alright, we just peel it down like that. Save that, just in case I gotta flip this in 5 years when the M3 chip comes out. So this is what it looks like. Oh, it came on automatically. It has a screen cover protector on it. Oh, okay. It's loading up automatically. That's what it looks like. This thing is very light. It's a MacBook Pro 13-inch, but it feels like a MacBook Air. Alright.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
I like it though. It's a dope colorway. Oh man, this could be a problem. It only has 2 USB Thunderbolt ports and a microphone headset jack. Let's see what else came in the box. I'll go through that setup on my own. You guys probably don't want to see that. I think this is a USB-C, USB Type-C plug. I think that's what they call it. What else comes in here? I'll show you. As designed by Apple in California. I think that's just like the owner's manual. And then it has, oh, this is the charger that it comes with, and that's it. Nothing else in this box. I'm excited to test out this MacBook Pro with the M1 chip. It's supposed to be the fastest processor out on the market. Apple's #1, baby. Not sponsored. And I got this too right here. This is the CrystalGuardMB for the laptop keyboard. I'll show you guys what it looks like right now. Alright, so tear it open. Oh, it comes with the trackpad protector too, but I don't think I'm going to use that. Ain't nobody got time for that. Alright, this is what it looks like here. Smells like a condom. Let's put it on this bad boy. See how it fits. Oh yeah, it fits pretty good. Fits like a glove. Feels pretty good. Ain't no seeds getting through this right here. This is the MacBook Pro 13-inch. No homo with the M1 chip. Appreciate everybody that tuned in. Shout out to all the positive vibrators, all the usual suspects. I'll catch you on the flip side. Every day is a good day to be alive. Remember that. It's your boy, theBurntEggRoll, signing off. Peace. This right here is the best reason to upgrade to a MacBook Pro M1 chip or any MacBook that has a touch bar. Check it out though. Emojis on the touch bar for the win. Hell yeah.